No beats, he's acapello. He's the coldest fellow. Some bitches call him red, some bitches are calling yellow. Some motherfuckers loving the dude cause he's that fellow. And bitches be talking that shit, booty jiggle like jello. Me, I'm in the game with the thing, two fingers, hello. You can find me riding up in that thing, that devil with the double doors. On both sides with double holes. Got bitches jumping out at a thing like 11 4. Is the street we coming through, the bricks is a metaphor for the projects and the pips. Gon' send a whore. I don't give a fuck about shit. I've been before here, been before there. Man, this shit is all off the motherfucking mental when I spit. Freestyling, but ain't nothing free about that bitch. That hoe gon' pay her. I pay your pimp, and that pimp gon' get paid. Sending that bitch. I don't want no paper unless it came from her, unless the name from her. I got that thing from her. She understand I'm the best at it, and I'm the one that come through and keep the West cracking. Tell the niggas West headed, East Side. Type of niggas show you just how we ride. We ducking and dodging and fucking the law. We give a fuck about nothing. I ain't fucking that bra. I'm stuck in the law. Stuck above the life and the lights. Niggas be talking all this shit, but I'ma ride for the night. I ride for the hype. Send that bitch to go get it. Toes down, heels up, cause young mothers, they fit this MP for the record. And all of the dough. And guess what? Yes, sir. It's all on the hoe. And all for the dough, I got to get every dollar innocent. MP Waves the great. And he's far from innocent. He's known to go send the bitch and hope you can go and get every fucking dollar, every penny, every fucking cent. Don't leave him with nothing. No discussions. All the niggas be talking and all them bitches be rushing. But the niggas that be talking, they don't be talking about nothing. I wouldn't give a motherfuck, friend. Fuck friends. I want to ride in a thing called a fuck Benz because it came up out of cock though. So if you wonder what it is, ho, I got though. It's MP, Young Waste for show though. You can find me on the West Coast in the Low or down south in that thing on them big wheels. Candy so wet, look like the shit still dripping, still pimping, sending bitches. Wouldn't give a fuck about nothing. I'm sending plenty bitches. I wouldn't give a shit. Huh. I'm far from innocent, going and popping up. Don't give a fuck about nothing. He's most popular. Young MP, bust till it's empty. No, the boy is not friendly. Now he got enemies. The niggas like the mini-me's. I wouldn't give a fuck. I come through, leave them like Kennedy's. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and stop it. Young Waves the great, California greatest. From Watts, bitch. Project shit. From the bricks on the 114th, you can find me. On that bull side where we ride for the dough, you can get your head bust, you can ride through the foe. Hey, so now you know. Young Waves the great at the door.